Good morning students. Today we are going to see about unit 3 in the term 2, changes around us. What is change? A change is referred to an alteration in physical properties or alteration in a composition of a matter. I think you know how ice was melt on heating, and similarly it transfer from solid to liquid state. Further, when we are heating a water, it starts evaporating. So these are the changes happened. Similarly, iron are exposed to moist condition and it became reddish brown. A new substance called rust forms on the surface of these objects. So these are the some changes. Iron changes into a rust. A egg when boiled it became strong solid. Similarly, a fruit became a different change when it is goes on day by day. So effects of heat on solid, liquid and gas. So what are the effects happens when we apply a heat on these three states, that is solid, liquid and gases. Upon heating, particles arrangements within a state of matter get disturbs. When heat or cooled, the object may expand or contract, but the mass remains the same. That is, the number of particles that are inside the object does not undergo any change. Only the arrangement of the particle changes. Okay. So there are some numbers of particles in a particular solid or liquid or gas. So when we are going to apply some heat or cool, the number of particles does not change, but the arrangement, the shape of the particular particle will change. So this is the main concept. So this is a solid in which particles are very close together. Particles are arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles can be vibrate about their fixed position. This is the liquid. Particles are not arranged in a fixed regular pattern in a liquid. Particles are able to slide past one another in this liquid. Similarly, the gas particles are not arranged in a fixed regular pattern like a solid, and particles are moved freely over a long distance. Okay, so this is the difference between a liquid, gas and a solid. So effect of heat again and heat loss may result in melting, boiling, freezing and condensation. Another thing may result in expansion or contraction, during which volume changes, mass is conserved. So now let us see what is physical change. A physical change are changes in which only physical properties of a substance undergo a change and there is no change in its chemical composition. Physical properties include luster, malleability, that is flexibility, and ductility, that is able to be drawn into a thin wire, density, viscosity, solubility, mass, volume and so on. Okay. So characteristics of a physical change. During a physical change, no new substance are formed. Okay. In a physical change, the chemical properties of the substance do not change. So here in the example, when ice cube melts, water is formed. In this change, there is no change in substance, but water is the same both in ice and in water. Characteristics of physical change. A physical change is usually temporary and irreversible in nature. When water is heated, water vapors are formed. Once water vapors are cooled, water can be contained again. Okay. And in physical change, the chemical properties of a substance do not change. For example, when a piece of gold is melted, chemical composition remains the same in the solid form and also in the liquid form. The cutting of vegetable and inflating a balloon are some examples of physical change in which the size and shape of a substance undergoes some changes. And what is changes of state? Change of state of a substance is one of the major physical changes we encounter in daily lives. A physical state such as melting of ice in our previous class. Okay. So this is an example. Solid to liquid, it is called melting. A liquid to gas, it is called vaporization. A liquid to solid, it is termed as freezing. Gas to a liquid, it is called condensation. and solid to gas, it is a sublimation. So first we can see what is melting. So when ice cubes or ice creams are melts, that is solid. When it's heated, it became a liquid. A liquid, when it is cooled, it becomes a solid. A vaporization, the bubbles from form and a liquid what becomes vapor. If you heat it, it is sufficiently, that is particle of a gas and particle of a liquid. Okay. So factor affecting the state of evaporation, solar heating, evaporation, that is vapors as H2O escapes brine. That is brine means ions in. The freezing, what is freezing? Water is the freezer component of a refrigerator get cooled and solidifies to form an ice cream. Only a change in state, that is take place during freezing of water, is from ice, but no new substance is formed. The particle of liquid and particle of a solid. So this is a condensation. When heated the liquid, it gets condensed and it forms the liquid once again. The vapors emerges from hot food and goes up. The plates covering the food item is in a relative less temperature than the hot food. They move closer to other gas molecules. Finally, these molecules collect together to form a liquid. Condensation happens when molecules in a gas cool down. So this is the concept: gas cooling liquid and liquid heating becomes gas. So condensation is the change of gas into a liquid state, and it happens by cooling. Evaporation is a changing of liquid into a gas state, and it happens by heating. So sublimation. So the process in which a solid is converted directly into a gas is called a condensation. Okay. For example, a solid substance like camphor, naphthalene, that gets converted into gas directly upon heating without becoming a liquid. Crystallization. Though not mentioned earlier, crystallization is also a special form of physical state. The soluble impurities get removed from certain solid by crystallization. So crystallization is a method of separation as well as a method of purification. So this is gas, liquid and solid. Okay. So solid melting became a liquid, liquid heated, it became evaporation. Similarly, reverse is condensation and freezing became solid. So what is chemical changes? Changes that occur with the formation of new substance with different chemical composition or transformation of a substance into another substance with the evaluation or absorption of heat or liquid are termed as chemical changes. Example: rusting of iron, banning, curdling of milk, reaction of baking soda with lemon juice, etc. So metals are extracted from their natural occurring component called ores by series of chemical change. Medicines are prepared by carrying out chain of chemical changes. Materials such as plastic, soaps, detergents, etc. Every new material is discovered by studying different types of chemical changes. Heat, liquid, light or any other radiation may be given off or observed. Sound may be produced. Changes in smell may take place. A new smell may be given off. A color change may take place, etc. So next one, rusting of iron. Rusting is a one change that affects iron particles and slowly destroy them. So here is an example: 2Fe2 plus 2O2 from air plus 2H2O becomes 2F2 O3 dot H2O. So this is water plus rust. The banning. Banning is a piece of paper gives entirely new substance such as carbon dioxide, water and water vapor, smoke, etc. So heat and light are also given out during the banning of paper. So when a magnesium ribbon burns in air, then the magnesium metal combines with the oxygen of air to form a new substance called magnesium oxide. So this is a formula: 2Mg plus O2, that is oxygen, becomes 2MgO, that is magnesium oxide. So curdling of milk. Curdling is a process in which liquid gradually turns into solid, forming clumps along the way. So take hot water in a pan and add few drops of curd. In a few minutes, milk curd forming lumpy solid masses. So what is fermentation? Fermentation is the process in which microorganisms such as yeast and certain bacteria break down sugar solution into alcohol and carbon dioxide. It is an irreversible process as the alcohol formed cannot be turned back into sugar. The chemical reaction of baking soda with lemon. A baking soda in sodium hydrogen carbonate and lemon juice contains citric acid. So this is a equation: sodium hydrogen carbonate plus citric acid gives sodium citrate and carbon dioxide plus water. So conditions needed for a chemical change. We know the firing of crackers in chemical change. Some crackers explode only when thrown against a wall or struck with a hot substance. So change in pressure may also bring out a chemical change. Indicators of chemical change. Take some broken piece of egg shell in a test tube and add lemon juice to it. You could see bubbles of carbon dioxide evolving in the test tube. So this is an example for chemical change. When water is added to a quicklime, there will be an evolution of lot of heat along with the formation of slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. This is also an example. We can do it in a home. Exothermic and endothermic chemical changes. Just as a physical change, chemical reaction will be either endothermic or exothermic. Burning of magnesium ribbon gives out heat and light. Similarly, burning of wood also releases some heat and light. So this is endothermic exothermic reaction. When solid was heated, expansion will happen and becomes melt. Similarly, particles of liquid cooled, it becomes freezing. Gas contraction with became condensation. So periodic and non-periodic changes, depending on whether or not a change repeats itself after a definite period of time. It can be classified as periodic change or non-periodic change. So periodic changes, the changes that repeated themselves after a definite interval of time are called periodic changes. Just like our Earth rotation, clock striking every hour, and these are some examples of periodic change. And non-periodic change, changes that do not repeat themselves after a definite interval of time and occur randomly are called non-periodic. Action of volcano, occurrence of earthquake, thunderstorm, running of batsmen between the wickets, movement of leg while dancing. These are some non-periodic change. So these are examples: thundering and earth, volcano. So students, best of luck. I think you like this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.